Join me as I dive into the stock market and try to uncover the best insights you need to know right now. If you're into stocks, you've probably heard of EJH, a company that's been making waves in the market lately. With all the ups and downs in the financial world, it's easy to overlook some of the key players, but EJH is definitely one to watch. Its current performance is something that should have your attention, especially if you're looking for smart investment opportunities. EJH stock is facing some tough times, with market trends that aren't in its favor. We're seeing a lot of volatility, and economic factors are playing a big role in its current performance. For one, the industry EJH operates in is highly competitive, and the company is struggling to keep up with the big players. This has led to some concerns among investors about its long-term viability. The economic climate isn't helping either. With rising interest rates and a slowdown in economic growth, investors are getting a bit cautious. EJH's stock price has taken a hit, and it's been a bumpy ride for those invested in it. The company's been trying to adapt, but it's clear that it's a challenging time for them. One of the biggest challenges EJH faces is changing consumer behavior. With more people moving towards sustainable and eco-friendly options, EJH's traditional business model is being put to the test. The company needs to innovate and evolve to stay relevant, but that's easier said than done. The market's been reacting to all these changes, and EJH's stock price has been all over the place. It's a bit of a roller coaster, and investors are on edge, trying to figure out what's next. Recent news has shown that EJH has been working hard to revamp its strategy and stay competitive. Their latest financial reports indicate some positive movements, but experts are still cautious. Some financial analysts have shared their opinions on the stock, and it's clear that there's a lot of uncertainty around EJH's future. The general consensus seems to be that EJH has potential, but it's not out of the woods yet. The company needs to show some serious growth and innovation to regain investor confidence. Until then, it's a wait-and-see situation. Expert opinions are mixed, with some seeing EJH as a long-term opportunity and others as a risk that's not worth taking. What's clear is that EJH's stock is not for the faint of heart. One crucial insight to take away from all this is that EJH's stock could be a game-changer for investors who are willing to take on some risk. If the company can turn things around and adapt to the changing market, we could see some significant growth. The prediction is that EJH's stock could see a significant upswing if it manages to successfully pivot and meet the demands of the modern market. Of course, that's a big if, but for those who believe in the company, the potential reward could be substantial. In the short term, EJH's stock is likely to remain volatile, with investors keeping a close eye on any developments. For those looking to invest, it's essential to do your research and understand the risks. To sum it up, EJH stock is at a critical juncture, with several challenges ahead. However, for investors who are willing to take on some risk, there's potential for growth. If you've got thoughts on EJH stock or other investments, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our other video on investment strategies for more insights that could help you make informed decisions.